Okay. I quit playing Roblox, so I didn't know Roblox is already banned, but my account is banned. Fuck this shit, Roblox. I don't need you. I have more games here. Naruto, Mobile Legend. Why I need you? Every time I need my different games. Top Pursuit, top one. I don't need more fun game. I quit playing Roblox. I think I play a different game, download and more fun. So yeah, like that one. I don't want to do this. Fuck that Roblox. Fuck you. Na mo, bakit? Ayoko na. Ang pangit mo laruin. Kainis. Iwan ko ano nang laruin ko dito. Oh my god. Okay. Kotkawat. Itong paborito so nung bata pa ko. Mga kapira. Biskin na ako naman ko ito na. Naman na naman datong lamag eh. Wari ito ha. Dahil din ko kaya. Wait pa na siya ito eh. Ayoko na malaro Roblox. So fucking annoying. Teamer. Ban. Hacker. Marami pa. Hindi natakalaro lahat sa games. Ayun mo, quick na kayo dyan sa Roblox sa Pilipinas. Kasi banam naman sa Pilipinas ang Roblox eh. Ayoko na laro Roblox. Ayoko na. Piste ang laro yan.